Have you ever wanted automatic translation of different websites to a specific language whenever you visit Chrome browser, but you don't know how to do that? This video walks you through on how to do that in easy steps. For example, you want whenever you visit a French website for it to be translated to English language. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to launch a web browser. So here, let's launch Google Chrome. As your browser opens, the next step is to click on these three dots at the top right. This provides you with some options. Scroll down until you get to settings, then click. On this settings page, you will see some options listed here. Our interest is on languages, alright? So click on it. On this languages page, you will see your preferred languages, alright? Websites in your languages, we have English United States, you have English here, you have Igbo, which is my local language in Nigeria. But that's not where we are going to work on. So scroll down. So once you get to this place, you will see this section, Google Translate. Alright, it says use Google Translate. So translate into this language. Automatically, English is detected because it understands the language I understand. Alright, so if your own language is different, please click here and scroll until you get to it. Okay, but I'm okay with English. Then automatically translate these languages. You can see no languages is added here. All right, no language is added. So what you need to do in this section is to click on add languages. All right, then search for the language you want to translate automatically to English here. So I'll click here and search for French in this case. Okay, so I'll click on the checkbox and I'll click on add. Okay, so immediately this language is added, any website I'm visiting that is in French will get translated automatically to English. For example, I want to add Spanish. I'll click on add language, then I'll click here and type Spanish. All right, it will show up as the best match. As I'm typing, the best match will be selected, will be shown up. All right, so I'll click on this and I'll click on add. Then you close your web browser. So with this, anytime you're visiting any website that is in German, that is Spanish or French, as I demonstrated here, will be translated automatically to English. All right. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot of information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. You can check out this video here. Just scan the QR code to buy any of my books on information technology. See you some other time.